students that will be writing NECO and um, physics is one of your subjects, you should know already that you are writing NECO practicals, practicals in physics. So pay attention to this video as I walk you through the apparatus. It's more like an expo for you. I will walk you through the things you need to know as you prepare for your physics NECO practicals. Physics NECO practicals. The practical aspect is very important. You don't need just to pass the theory and the OBJ. So follow me as I guide you through what your practical will be like, so that as you prepare and read, you will know exactly what to expect inside the hall. Okay, we have said, look at this number 2. He said, each candidate will require in general mathematical table, geometrical instruments. For example, for questions 1, number 2, and number 3, the apparatus listed below are required. That means that the questions that we ask you in physics practical for NECO this year will revolve around these questions I will point out to you, so that as you read and prepare, you will easily focus on those particular ones. Okay. Question 1, you will need a record stand. As a science student, you know what a record stand is. You will need drawing board. By the way, if you are not able to follow what I'm saying, or if you need more guidance to prepare for your exam, what you need to do is like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, then share this video to your friends. When you subscribe to this tutorial and watch this video to the end, just come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once I see I have subscribed, I will begin to guide you to help you pass the exam. Okay, for question 1, you need a record stand, 2 record stand for each candidate, drawing board, 1 fixed pulley, drawing papers, 5 thumb pins, set of masses, mass 30 gram covered and labeled W. So basically it's 30 gram. 2 mass hangers and twine. Of course, as a science student, you know the kind of practical this is referring to. So study up, go to your physics practical textbook and study. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel immediately and watch this video to the end. For question 2, here is what you should be looking at. In question 2, we should be looking at rectangular prism. So they'll be asking you questions on rectangular glass prism. Rectangular, not triangular. Then remember, rectangular prism, not triangular prism. Then drawing board, drawing papers, 4 optical pins, then 4 thumb pins. These are the things you need to look at and focus on for question 2. Remember, the things I'm telling you are the questions that must come out. That is why I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that as I post other videos on your other practical and you also the other subject like math, English, that will help you pass your NECO, you will be able to see them. So subscribe, like this video, and share this video to your friend. Remember to watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, like I said, in number 2 is rectangular glass prism, drawing board, drawing papers, 4 optical pins, 4 thumb pins. For question number 3, what you need is simple. You need 2V accumulator or 2 1.5V dry Leclerc cell. This one is on electricity. Number 2 is voltmeter, 0 to 3 volts. Number 3 is 2 ohms resistor, 2 ohms resistor. Number 4 is connecting wires, a set of wires. Number 5 is jockey. Number 6 is keys. Number 7 is 100 cm constantan wires. If this is too difficult for you, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will send this material to you. I will also send you other materials that will help you to pass this particular examination. Remember, once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you are free to ask me questions. If there are questions you have, if there are areas you are confused, if there are things you are confused about concerning this physics exam and other exam that is following this NECO, JAMB or WAEC, feel free to subscribe, watch this video to the end, like this post, then tell me you're subscribed, and I'll begin to guide you. So that is basically the things you need. We wish you success in the exam hall.